Hello everyone, yo soy Viviana and today we will be doing an exercise with the verb to be in Spanish. Don't forget that in the previous videos we learned about the personal pronouns and the verb to be in Spanish, and this verb is made up for two verbs, the verb ser and the verb estar. Now, are you ready for this exercise? Yes? Okay, let's get started. Comencemos. Before doing the exercise, it's necessary to remember when we use the verb estar. And if you want to remember how it's the conjugation, I invite you to see the previous videos. Yo estoy en el parque. I am in the park. We use yo estoy because we are talking about where are you. Yo estoy en el parque. Estoy trabajando. I am working. We use yo estoy because we are talking about what are you doing. What are you doing? ¿Qué estás haciendo? Yo estoy trabajando. I am working. I am happy. Yo estoy feliz. We use yo estoy because we are talking about our feelings. Yo estoy feliz. I am happy. Yo estoy con Juan. I am with Juan. We use yo estoy because we are talking about who are you with? Yo estoy con Juan. I am with Juan. To do the first exercise, you must choose the right options. For example, nosotros estamos en la casa. We are in the house. But now are your turn. Ellos están trabajando. They are working. What are they doing? ¿Qué están ellos haciendo? They are working. Ellos están trabajando. Él está triste. He is sad. How is he? ¿Cómo está él? How does he feel? ¿Cómo se siente él? He is sad. Él está triste. Él está con María. He is with María. Who's he with? ¿Con quién está él? Él está con María. He is with María. Exercise 2. In this exercise, you must complete the sentence with the correct conjugation of the verb estar. Ellos están en la casa. They are in the house. Usted está caminando. You are walking. Ella está feliz. She is happy. Yo estoy con Juan. I am with Juan. Exercise number 3. Here are some pronouns so you can create your own sentence with the verb estar. I would very much like to know your sentence, and don't forget that in my YouTube channel you can know the links to download the classes in PDF totally for free. The next video we will learn about the greetings and goodbyes. If you liked this video and it helped you, I invite you to follow the page and like it. I'll be posting every week. See you soon!